How do you know when to move on from a stock due to controversy in the news? Example include Facebook privacy and many other examples. That's a great question. So what I recommend doing, and I teach about this in my complete financial analyst course, what I recommend doing is before you buy a stock, make a one-page write-up. And I teach you how to do that, and I provide you with all the templates in that course. And on that one-page write-up, you cover concepts like what is the catalyst, meaning why are you there? What events are going to occur in the future that will make more people want to buy the stock? You always want to buy stocks that people are going to like in the future, not stocks that people like today. And that's why Wayne Gretzky, a fellow Canadian, was very successful. He said, I never skate to where the puck is. I always skate to where the puck is going to be. And using that logic, you want to invest in companies that people are going to like. And so when you make that one-page template write-up, which I provide you in the course, you answer a lot of questions about the fundamentals, the valuation, and a little bit about the technicals, but not too much. Okay, and the technicals just help you understand when to trim around a position or when to back up the truck and what the support level can be. And the reason we look at technicals sometimes is because I love to look at risk reward, meaning how much upside do I have to my target price? What is the downside, which could be a technical level? And hopefully it's positively skewed. Otherwise, I don't buy the stock. And so after you complete that one pager, which is pretty thorough, then what I want you to do is buy the stock. And if you write that one pager and you're halfway through and you convince yourself this is not a good investment, then just junk it. Move on to another stock. There's a gazillion other stocks to potentially invest in. I've made hundreds of these write-ups, hundreds, that I've written the whole thing, but even more where I gave up halfway through. And then what you do is this. Let's say 2 years in the future, you own the stock and you completed the one pager and you haven't looked at it in a while. And a new piece of news comes out on that stock and people are panicking. And you think to yourself, oh my gosh, should I sell? What I want you to do is this. It's a great sanity test. I want you to go back and read that one pager you made and think of yourself being back in time when you made that one pager. Read it thoroughly and then ask yourself this question. If I had known about this new piece of information that's out there today in the markets, if I had known about that when I was writing this one pager, would I still have bought the stock? And if the answer is no, then sell it.